Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the extension weft and the clips so they align with your head shape. Measure the target section and cut the weft to fit. This prevents bunching and uneven weight. Once done, mark clip spacing, about 1 to 2 inches, so the load distributes evenly and the bond holds. Make sure to have a needle and nylon thread ready, because sewing gives a far stronger attachment than glue. This step sets the foundation for secure clip conversion. You now attach clips using a reinforced sewing technique so they stay put under movement. Fold the weft edge to build a sturdy ridge and align the clip base over your marks. Then sew through the clip holes and the folded fabric with a locking stitch, repeating 4 to 6 passes for each clip. This prevents slipping. Once a clip is secure, test tension by gently pulling. Make sure to trim loose threads and lightly melt ends to avoid fraying without damaging the hair. You finish by fitting the clip-ons and checking stability across typical movements like nodding and turning. If you notice gaps or pulling, reposition a clip or remove and resew that section so weight balances better. Once all clips hold, trim visible thread and style the extensions into the natural hair. If a clip loosens later, reinforce with extra stitches or fabric tape. Resealing the weft edge stops shedding. Finally, avoid direct high heat.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.